But I'm not
shaped into a flat disc to resemble a mirror, and we display it to welcome the New Year gods into our home against each other like this. Then you rinse it until it's like partially clear. You don't have to make the water very clear because then you means that you remove the starch, all the starch. Then you don't. 1 tablespoon like that. Okay, so please pass it on. You can use green food coloring, but I have matcha, and this is dried mugwort, freeze-dried mugwort. So. Or no, it's just dried mugwort.
It sounds very comfortable.
So we're going to split more of the bigger one?
To be very comfortable. Because end up
She has a little flower in the tree.
okay. Yes, that's one of my.
Oh, sorry.
Look at that, lovely.
Famous.
My sugar is the same amount. So this is.
In Japan, are they starting to use any of these sugars?
Because original traditional recipes they use more sugar actually. So this is all the same amount, and then I'm going to twist it very watery. I'm just going to do half of the recipe. The recipe is I think half a cup, and it becomes too soft, so I'm just going to put a little bit less scant. So you can see the difference in the mochi. Yes, but it's not cooked yet. So when you microwave, you always have to mix in between because it doesn't heat evenly. But if you're steaming, you can just leave it in for half an hour. Important because if you don't have this, you can't handle mochi. So
Potato or cornstarch?
yes. Some kind of starch or tapioca starch or whatever starch you have, and you just dump it in one go. Try to do it in one go. And then you want to sprinkle more starch on the surface. And then you can touch mochi. Then it doesn't stick in the microwave as well.
On the same day I went to Nagano and saw the monkeys, I went to Nara.
Oh, that's great.
So all the deer.
Yeah.
But the,
Did you do
give
the
a deer
cracker?
a cookie? Yeah. But the deer learned how to bow, and so the people.
Beautiful. We're not far from the Windsor. And
the snow that's still on the ground, and pink stands for the flowers that are blooming. So when you put it on the skewer, it has to be green, white, and pink. And if you see an emoji dango, it's in that order. If you want to learn how to make the bean paste, I have a YouTube video using dry beans or canned beans. Yeah, can of beans. Just kind of use your 2 fingers and just kind of really
that's my tip of the day.
try to pinch like the opposite. And then after you pull it out, what you close.
No.
If you twist it,
Okay.
it will close instantly like this. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And then you just twist it, and then and.
Sugar is getting through. Wow.
Thinking caramel. Like peanut butter.
Yeah, it's like peanut flour.
Yeah.
Powder.
Yeah.
Top notch. Can I
I like.
Oh, you're doing well.
It's hard to find in America.
Oh,
I
yeah.
think if you go to Japanese supermarket, it's
Yeah.
quite a common ingredient. So
Sounds good.
traditional sweets to cut it, so it's like a knife and pick. The tree, kuro, black letters. That's the meaning of it. It's the name of the tree that's used for that. And it can be refrigerated, and it will stay soft in the refrigerator. So that's good about.
Nice bones. That's better now.
Nori seaweed.
I know, I was like, I grabbed one on the. All three, every.